Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2,827th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Thank you for tuning in. Traders, I'm not going to hop in front of the camera tonight because I'm going to hop on a plane and get my butt out of here soon. But let me show you what's going on. This video is being filmed on a Friday evening after the markets have closed, and we're just going to review a couple of charts and we'll talk about, where I'm going to be, and we'll get together on Sunday night, Monday. So this video is being filmed on Friday. It's video 2827. It is November 11th. Please know that trading is risky. Trading futures, options, stocks, you name it. I don't care what you trade. If you trade it, it's got a lot of risk. Put your stops in and put them in first before you begin to trade. Please know that. Let's see what's going on. Here's your Nasdaq Daily Bar. Last night we called your attention to a double top. This bar did not exist yet. Let's move this out of the way. So we were here. And I said, hey, everyone pay attention. Double top here. Nasdaq generally respects its double tops. So it spent the whole day Friday mostly on the downside here and then finally settled up towards the end of the day. So it actually paid homage almost all day long to that double top, which is, pretty interesting to see because the markets are absolutely booming here, and good old-fashioned technical analysis called the double top, and suddenly this freight train stops and respects it for the whole trading session of Friday. I like that. We'll see where it's going to go on Monday. I'll do my OMNI homework Sunday night and see where that's going to be. I just wanted to show you how the market did respect that double top. When we see a double top, we sell a double top. And to be honest, with that double top, had you sold it this morning, it dropped over 100 points and stayed there most of the day and then went back up towards the end of the day. So you would have actually sold a rally and scored at that double top area had you day traded Nasdaq today. We did not do that. We kind of observed and traded soybeans instead. We had a great soybeans trade. Observed the Nasdaq. Soybeans gave us a nice OMNI winner, so we stayed with that trade. And just wanted to show you this. Now look what else we have. 2 days ago I mentioned to you that do not just run out and buy gold. Let's give it a moment. So let's change this average to the proper one here, which would be this. And you'll see that it fits really well on gold, and boom, there it is. We've been using this average in all our videos recently. And what normally happens is the market runs up, consolidates, and catches the average and runs up. Consolidates, catches the average and runs up. Consolidates, catches the average and what? Breaks it. Oh, this is different. Different. So I'm glad I told you do not run out and buy gold 2 days ago. Then today proved that that was a good move, and now you've got two full bars, three closes, 1, 2, 3 below that average that's been working so well. I would hold off on buying gold certainly on Sunday night and let it give us a signal. I'll let you know what the OMNI says about that when I do my OMNI homework. So it's only Friday afternoon. The OMNI homework for Monday is not done. We do that on Sundays. Traders, if you like what you've seen in these videos, please subscribe to them. Do that now and like and share them all over the internet. But hit that subscribe button. Do that now, please. Thank you so much. Now, you've seen gold, and we looked at Nasdaq. Look at this little gem. Traders, MSTR. In the beginning of the week, I said MSTR, even if the market goes down, it's going up. And it's going to go up to 277, my first target. MSTR was trading down here at 235. What were you crazy, Oscar? 277 this week? Look what happened. Is that not sick? 277 is that circle right there. And this is where the market got to. Boom, 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 boom. Straight up. No kidding around. Right to 277. Bravo, technical analysis. Not calling for a top there. That was a target. We'll do more work on MSTR and see what target comes up next. Then you've got this. Traders, Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Round of applause for this one. Fantastic so far. Fantastic analysis. great work going on here, and the market is starting to explode towards the upside. Look at this thing go. So we did exactly what we spoke about. After that little rally, we'd have a pullback to the support. Why is it support? Because it was resistance so many times. Now, once you get above it, if you get back to it, it becomes support. And we talked about, technically, it should drop into support, hold the support, and dart towards my 85,000 target. And is that not what happened? I mean, is analysis not sick? Right to the hold area, up towards the target we go. Bravo, technical analysis. There's nothing better, no better roadmap on the planet than technical analysis when it comes to calling tomorrow's moves today. Traders, there's this now. Guess what? Merry old England. I'm going to be in London. I can't wait. I'm hopping on a plane. I'm out of here soon in a few hours. I will be there for an OMNI camp and then maybe a gathering after OMNI camp. We'll talk about that next week. So make sure you follow the videos and find out if we're going to have a little OMNIAC gathering after OMNI camp in London. So OMNI camp is the 15th through the 18th. I will be there just in a couple of, 24 hours, and I'm going to set up. I cannot wait. OMNIACs, I'm looking so forward to seeing you. And remember about trading. Keep your emotions out of trading. How do we do that? We put our stops in first. We go to livewithoscar.com and hang out with Uncle Oscar so he keeps you calm during crazy times. Like and subscribe and share these videos. And then say this to yourselves over and over again, and you know by now what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, thanks for tuning in. I'll be sure to broadcast from London. I'll make sure I send out my Omni trades. We'll do everything from London that we always do here from Vegas. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you all from livewithoscar.com.